Hi everyone, Akshay this side, here with another topic that is WBS or Work Breakdown Structure. So the first question that arises is what actually is Work Breakdown Structure or WBS in project management. See, basically it is a method for completing a complex multi-step project. It's a way to divide and conquer large projects to get things done faster and more efficiently. The goal of a WBS is to make a large project more manageable. Breaking it down into smaller chunks means work can be done simultaneously by different team members, leading to better team productivity and easier project management. Now, how to create a work breakdown structure. Before you create a work breakdown structure, it's essential to first assess the project scope by talking to all stakeholders and key team members involved. As the project manager, you want to ensure that all critical inputs and deliverables are gathered and transparently prioritized. You may use Gantt charts, flowcharts, spreadsheets, or lists to show the hierarchical outline of importance and connectivity between the tasks needed to complete the project. After outlining the deliverables and tasks in order of completion, you can then assign each task to a project team member. Ensure no team member carries the majority of the project's weight by spreading duties and responsibilities across the team. Now let's study about characteristics of a work breakdown structure. The Project Management Institute (PMI) defines WBS as a deliverable-oriented hierarchical decomposition of the work to be executed by the project team to accomplish the project objectives and create the required deliverables. Each WBS level represents a new and increasingly detailed definition of work needed to complete the project. PMI's definition adds that the WBS structure must be constructed in a way that each new level in the hierarchy includes all the work needed to complete its parent task. This means that every parent task element must have more than one child task within it to consider the parent task element complete. Now let's see some examples of work breakdown structure. Your work breakdown structure for each project can be different. As a project manager, you may have to experiment to see which WBS work best for you and your team. The goal is to show the hierarchy of your projects and make progress clear to everyone involved, whether they are a team member or an external stakeholder. Here are some breakdown structures. You can use any of these to outline your WBS. First is WBS Spreadsheet. You can structure your WBS efficiently in a spreadsheet, noting the different phases, tasks, or deliverables in the columns and rows. Second is WBS Flowchart. You can structure your WBS in a diagrammatic workflow. Most WBS examples and templates you may find are flowcharts. Now the third one is WBS List. You can structure your WBS as a simple list of tasks or deliverables and subtasks. This is the most straightforward approach to make a WBS. Now the fourth one is Work Breakdown Structure Gantt chart. You can use your structured WBS as a Gantt chart that represents both a spreadsheet and a timeline. With a Gantt chart structured WBS, you can link task dependency and show project milestones. After that, we have to look at what is the difference between WBS and a work breakdown schedule. Various detailed project documents support the WBS. Amongst them are a risk management plan, quality plan, procurement plan, communications plan, staffing plan, and a work breakdown schedule plan. The work breakdown schedule includes the start and completion dates for all tasks, activities, and deliverables defined in the WBS. And that's it from my side about WBS. I hope you liked the video and comment down below what you think work is the best for you as a WBS. Thank you for watching.